Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ontario Motor Sales, and take a look at this. This is a 2023 Chevy Camaro SS Coupe with the performance package. Absolutely gorgeous Camaro. This has only 12,869 kilometers on this. It is a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, a certified pre-owned vehicle, and an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. If you are looking for your summer sports car, look no further. This Camaro SS is absolutely like new out of the box. What a beautiful find. We're going to take you on a tour of the exterior and the interior and give you a rundown of all the features on this Camaro SS so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home, whether or not you're thinking of purchasing it or not, or you just love cars. This Camaro SS is a real enthusiast vehicle. Now, what is underneath the hood? We have a 6.2 liter V8 engine connected to a 6-speed manual transmission, 455 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds flat. Absolute tons of fun. Rear wheel drive, electronic limited slip differential so you can hook it up. We've got mag ride on this, Brembo performance brakes, and the dual mode performance exhaust. Oh, it's so pretty. Having a look, check these 20-inch alloy wheels. Absolutely gorgeous looking wheels. The Brembo brakes behind it. I mean, does it get any better than this? Goodyear Eagle F1 performance tires. We have the Camaro badge in the fender. Blacked out side mirrors. Beautiful tint on it as well. As we come around to the back, just love how it widens up. Look at this body line right here. This is what does it for me right here. This body line kind of just bulging out that fender. So pretty. The lip spoiler on the back, those iconic Camaro taillights, the performance exhaust. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, that sounds so pretty. We are going to rev it up for you in a moment or two, but let's continue around to the passenger side so you can see all four corners, in the incredible condition. Now, this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so you have a 150-point inspection over and above the safety standards. We've got 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty. You have 3 months of satellite radio on us and 30 days or a 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, but you would be wild to ever want to exchange a beautiful piece of machinery like this. Look at the sport hood. This here, look at this. Isn't that, oh, I don't know, there's no other words, just oh. LED headlights, blacked out Chevy front grille, and arguably one of the meanest looking front ends of a car you're ever going to see. It's just hard not to love looking at this. All right, let's go take a look at the inside. Imagine stepping into this every morning. Look at the gorgeous Recaro racing seats that we've got here. This is, of course, a non-smoker vehicle. Black leather with the gray accents and then the suede inserts. Power driver's seat, of course, Camaro door sill plate. And then look at the steering wheel. D-shaped steering wheel, suede wheel as well. Got Camaro right on the center of it. And then, of course, your SS badge right down here. Now, I'm going to hop in here. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Oh, imagine this in your drive to work every day. Look at the red accents on the interior too. Isn't that smart how they did that? And then, of course, yeah, this 6-speed manual transmission. beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This suede wheel is so nice, of course, for sweat wicking as well, in case you are throwing it around on the track. Just on the track, right? Okay. Check out the odometer, full digital gauges, of course. 12,869 kilometers. That's it. It's like out of the box. We have a beautiful heads-up display. It shows your speed, your RPMs, and your Gs, which is kind of cool. I thought that was pretty neat. But I mean, this is it right here. This is something else. Now, of course, we've got an incredible audio system on this. We have XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have the users app as well. So if you want multiple profiles, maybe there's multiple drivers, whoever is lucky enough in the household to take this out other than yourself. Lots of cool apps that you can download too. There's your XM satellite radio, the My Chevrolet app, which is a great app for the vehicle, connects your car to your phone. You can see all sorts of great information with that, and definitely take advantage of the OnStar services. You'd be surprised what you get with that. It is really, really nice. Rear view camera system as well. Let me just throw it in reverse so you can see. All right. Dual zone or single zone? Single zone climate control, my bad. I mean, it's a smaller car, you don't need dual zone. Love how you make the adjustments too here, just giving a slide of the dial and it kind of adjusts your temp for you. Again, this beautiful 6-speed with the suede around it. And then here we have our different drive modes, so I'll show you what those are. They'll cycle through here on the dash. Track, sport, touring, snow and ice. And I mean, I don't know, call me crazy. I'm driving it on track as much as I can, because why wouldn't you? Nice little bit of a cup holder. You got a little bit of storage down here. There are some USB ports down there as well. But this is just absolutely stunning. Now stay tuned, we are going to rev it. I do want you to hear it. I'm going to drop my microphone out back just so you can just soak it all in. But before we do that, I want to show you the vehicle file. OMS original, like I said, bought here, serviced here, traded here. This is the vehicle summary sheet, so it's going to go through all the performance things that it has. There you can see the performance package, the Recaro performance front seats, all that good stuff. You're going to get 4 free oil changes with the purchase of this Camaro. As if it doesn't get any better than that, they're going to give you 4 oil changes as well. And 1 owner, no reported accidents, 8 service records on file for this too. I mean, wow, wow, wow. All right, now's what we've been waiting for. I'm going to drop my microphone out back. We're going to rev this up and we're just going to take it all in. It doesn't get any better. Listen, come here to Ontario Motor Sales and check this out. Whether you're a buyer or just an admirer, this is absolutely a gorgeous find. This 23 Camaro SS Coupe. Oh man, I'm in love. Congratulations to whoever picks up this fantastic find, and we cannot wait to see you at Ontario Motor Sales.